topic is function notation. Now, this is our example. Evaluate a function. Find the value of the function f equal to x square minus 4x plus 1. So when x equal to minus 1, 0 and 2 is f 1 to 1. Now, how to find our function here? This is our value. We have two. Now, the first one is when x equal to minus 1. So now we input the value of x into our equation. So we have 2 open brackets minus 1 square minus 4 minus 1 plus 1. So this one now equal to 1 square is 1. So minus 1 square is 1. 2 multiplied by 1. This one now equal to 2. So this one minus 1 minus 1 plus 4 now plus 1 now equal to 7. So the first one is 7. When x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, so what is our function? Now our function now equal to 2 open bracket 0 square minus 4 minus 0 plus 1. So this one now equal to 0 plus 0 plus 1. So this one now equal to 1. Now the last one, when x equal to 2. So when x equal to 2, so what is our value for f? Now we have 2 open bracket 2 square minus 4 2 plus 1. So this one now equal to 2 square is 4. 2 multiplied by 4 8. So minus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 8 plus 1. So this one now equal to 1. Now according to question, is f 1 or 1? No, f is not 1 to 1 because this one is 7. So this one is 1 1, but this one is 7. So our answer is f is not 1 to 1. So thank you. Subscribe to our channel, share our video. Thank you.